Hey guys, this is Greg with Quantum Phaser TV. Right now, state of emergency has been issued for several states, including North and South Carolina. I'm not sure if Virginia is included yet, but it probably will be. And Hurricane Florence is, of course, the reason, which is right now a Category 4 storm, and it's probably going to be arriving to where I live overnight Wednesday into the early Thursday a.m. And it's expected to bring to my area, which is in the direct path, probably between 12 and 20 inches of rain, something ridiculous. We could be looking at a 1,000-year flood. One of the things that concerns me is the condition of the roof on my house. It's an older roof and a lot of the shingles are peeling up, and I need something to get this thing secure. So applying the Blackjack Ultra Roof 1000. It's a elastomeric coating. Basically it's a waterproof coating that's a rubber plastic kind of coating that goes on top. It also has benefits of keeping your roof cooler, but right now I'm pressed for time. I've got to basically finish the rest of the roof section here, and it's also going to be a great test to see how this holds up. I'm trying to weather the storm out without having any roof damage, and the hope is that by applying this coating, which as you can see is behind me already on the front of the house, it turns the roof into one solid sheet, and it doesn't give the air anything to grip into, so it can't peel up the shingles. So it's about $100 per 5-gallon bucket, so it's not cheap, and probably about a total cost of $2,000 to do the total roof if you do several heavy coats of it. But it does have a 10-year warranty, so we're going to see how this stuff works. What I'm concerned with during the hurricane is any shingles like this that are loose. This is normally where a storm can grab a hold of it and just start ripping the roof off. So this coating, once it's bonded, as you can see, it creates a complete seal between all the shingles, and these were very poor condition shingles. This was a coating that was applied earlier to it, and you can see that it's held up pretty well. So right now I've got this section of the house to finish right here. So we're going to get this done. Give you a quick demo of how this is going to how this stuff gets applied. Anyway, to apply this stuff, you're going to want to use a very nappy roller, and you want to go very heavy on the first layer. If you had a missing shingle, like say right over here, don't worry about it. We're just going to cover it right up. So what you want to do is work it into the shingles. Think of it more as a glue than a paint. And if you go very fast, you'll see that the shingles start coming up with the roller. So just keep your speed down to give it nice even coverage. Shingles are very dry, so they're just going to soak it in. It's like a very heavy cream as it goes on. And neatness is not so important as adhesiveness and coating, but it's really easy to work with, so you can spread it around and spread it out as you go. You can see it filling in all the gaps between the shingles, all the cracks, everything. See any areas where there's a gap, you can just kind of work it in with the roller. And that's your first coat. And we're going to do 2 coats like this as we go. And since we're pressed for time, we're going to be letting it dry for just a couple hours before we move on. I'll be reporting on the hurricane as it happens, so stay tuned to this channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.